Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. We're jumping right into today's video. I am in the kitchen. My husband's in here with me. He's cooking a meal. I'm cooking a meal. If you've been here for a while, you know I always tell you we cook at least 2 to 3 times a day. And on this specific day, I think I cooked 3 times. If you are new here, my name is Kim, K-Y-M. I do videos pertaining to home management, cooking, cleaning, repairs, DIYs, projects, all of that great stuff. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button, show the like button some love, and leave me a comment down below so I can say hello to you. Overall, I like to do videos about home managing, and right now I'm managing my home in my kitchen. I don't know about you, but the kitchen for me is the heart of the home. This is where I am a mad scientist up in here. And let me tell you something, anybody who has sat at my table has definitely enjoyed the meals that I cook and that I provide for everyone. I put lots of love and flavor into my meals. So what I really need to take care of right now is some meal planning. I need to plan some meals for today as well as for the rest of the week. And let me explain the rest of the week to you because I know some people don't like leftovers. But I have some fresh veggies and some fresh fruit that I need to get cut up. I need to get washed off. Well, washed off first, then cut up. I want to get it dried off completely and put it in the refrigerator. The reason I want to dry it off completely is so it doesn't grow any kind of mold or mildew in it while it's in the refrigerator, waiting for me to eat the next day. So one staple that's in my home and my family that everyone loves are twice baked potatoes. Everybody likes to eat them differently, so I have to make sure that I'm asking people in case I forget, hey, what exactly do you want on your twice baked potato? After that, I'll be cutting up some peppers. I will be washing off some grapes and some kale. I eat a kale salad every day. Sometimes I switch it up with romaine lettuce, but let's be real, romaine lettuce is kind of boring and kale holds so much flavor, depending on what you flavor and season your kale with. But let me tell you something, my salads are never bland, never boring, and they are always very filling. The other thing is, when you eat a lot of kale, it does replenish a lot of vitamins and minerals within your body, and it just makes me feel good. It makes my skin look good, and you just can't go wrong with a kale salad. On this particular day, I couldn't find any kale that were in bundles, so I did buy kale in a bag, and I still wanted to wash it off and get it cleaned and everything like that because sometimes you will find worms in cabbage and kale and greens and that sort of thing, and I'm not about that worm life. I don't know about you. I also have some cilantro that I washed earlier because I will be putting some cilantro in an empanada at some point today. One important thing to do is to make sure that your sink is clean because I'm going to be using the sink and rinsing food out in the sink several times and I just don't want any kind of germs, so I'm going to disinfect it and clean it out really good. Let me know how you're doing below in the comments. Let me know what interesting things you're working on. Let me know how your mental health journey is going. I will say I finally feel like I'm coming up out of this seasonal depression. It really had me in some sort of chokehold. But I'm starting to feel better. The sun has been shining. Today, as I'm editing this video, it is 65 degrees and it is on March 4th. By the way, my birthday was yesterday. Your girl turned 21. Let me know if you battle or deal with any kind of seasonal depression or anxiousness or anxiety or anything like that. For me, it's the gray skies. It is so depressing. I need sunshine. I need brightness. I need fresh air. I need to go hug a tree or something. And in order to hug a tree, it needs to be at least 75 degrees because I cannot deal with 12 degree, 2 degree, 5 degree weather in central Ohio because it gets super, super cold. It's interesting when you talk to people who don't deal with seasonal depression and they're like, oh, hey, how are you? And you're like, oh, yeah, I'm good, whatever. They're like, hey, do you want to do X, Y, and Z? And you're like, no, I have no interest at all whatsoever in going anywhere and spending any time with anyone other than my family. No disrespect to anyone. I love to be in good company with good energy, not negative people. But like sometimes it's just like, yeah, no. And I'm that type of person. If I'm sad or going through something, I don't want to put that energy on anyone else. So it's just best for me to stay at home in my room with the covers over my head until I'm over it. But in all seriousness, I just wanted to make sure that I'm good. I don't want to be bringing anyone down. And in order for me to fill your cup, my cup has to be full. You feel me? It goes back to what my mom always says. Make sure you take care of home first. This is why it's smart to keep a bag with you. That way you can dump your trash immediately. This is going in the freezer. I'm going to clean this back off because I have a couple things I need to cut. This is in the refrigerator for my salads. This should last me about 4 days because I really love peppers.
I'll wait, you know I'll wait.
First time I saw ya, knew you were the one. Walking by so beautiful, girl. You moved like a song. I can't.
Now I'm going to prepare these twice baked potatoes, and let me tell you something. The moment I took them out the oven, they were gone, okay? They didn't even last like 30 minutes.
Dreaming, so don't wake me up. Oh baby, you're amazing in every way, every night and day. Oh baby, you're amazing. Got me in the days, wanna ride with me. I'm so caught up with you. Oh la la la, oh la la la, oh la la la. Oh baby, you're oh la la la, oh la la la, oh la la la. Oh baby, you're amazing. Girl, you can have it. Whatever you want, girl. I'm giving it all. Say the word and I'll take you wherever. Paris, London, New York. It don't really matter. I just want to have you. You're mad.
Okay, so this set has cheese and onions. One has onion, no cheese in either one of these.
So don't wake me up. Oh baby, you're amazing in every way, every night and day. Oh baby, you're amazing. Got me in the days, wanna ride with me. I'm so caught up with you. Oh la la la, oh la la la, oh la la la. Oh baby, you're oh la la la, oh la la la, oh la la la. Oh baby, you're amazing. My melody, my everything, amazing.
These are not quite finished drying yet, so I'm just gonna allow them to hang out for a little bit. Now we are going to the at-home store, and I know some people are skeptical about the at-home store, but wait until I show you some of these prices on these beautiful items. I can get so much decor from here, especially wall art. Most of the wall art in my home is from the at-home store. I am also that person that will stock some decor until it goes on sale because your girl has the patience of a saint, okay? Went to the at-home store and I showed you guys. So this is pretty heavy duty. It was only $6.99. I got cilantro and then some marigolds. I thought this was really, really pretty. I don't like the gold lid, but I will paint the lid. But I thought this was really cute. It was $7.99. Some soap, and this is beautiful. I got this as well for $7.99.
And she got me for $59.99.
Okay. This is my living room. This has been here. We're not going to talk about how long this has been here. Okay. And then there's some stuff behind the couch as well. It's hard to see back there because it's kind of dark. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the boxes that I got, get some of this stuff cleaned up, and then clean out my closet that's in the hallway. The stuff that's back here, I'm gonna try to transform to my garage. So let's go. What I'm about to do in my living room has been a long time coming. Y'all know we have rearranged this living room 35 times, and every 35 times that we've rearranged it, I have still put stuff behind the couch for storage. Yeah. All I have to say is don't be judging me, okay? Do not judge me after you see this clip. Let's play a game called Count Those Pillows. Let's play a game called How Many Pillows Can You Pick Up? This message is for my husband, so if you're not my husband, just ignore me for a second. I told you I dust. I know it doesn't seem like I dust because we live in a dust bucket, but I do dust. So here's your proof. Speaking of my husband, he was like, I'll vacuum the floor because he has this thing with vacuuming. But I'm like, no, just go ahead and do what you need to do. I'll vacuum the floor and I'll straighten up the closet too. I regret telling him to leave, especially when I got to the closet part. When I say overwhelmed and the anxiety took over, just wait till you see the clips.
I might thinking I was done now, but I guess I'll never be tired of you.
The vacuum lines though, okay, so it looks really good. There wasn't really much to do, and I really just needed to dust in here. I do need to clean that mirror off, but I'm not about to do it right now because I've other things that I need to take care of. But what matters is it's slightly dust free. Slightly, because I live in a dust bucket, but it looks good though. The pillows that were behind the couch now have a new home, and let me tell you something, when I went back in the house I found even more pillows, but there's no room in here, so yeah, there's some more pillows behind the couch.
But I guess I'll never be tired.
Every single thing on this floor needs to be thrown in the trash. I don't even know why it's been in there that long. That's besides the point. I know it's kind of hard to see in here, but there's just a little bit of stuff in here. So I'm going to put the pillows that are always behind my couch. I'm going to put them in here because I need to be better with organizing. I just had a realization that there's sometimes I do things that my future self does not appreciate. So I'm going to try to do better. And if I don't, it's okay because I'm only human. Do you remember that song from the 80s? Yeah, I think I might be telling my age right now. There are my new containers. This is the closet I was talking about. Let me turn the light on. This is the closet. The top isn't too bad, right? And then I'm not even worried about the things that are hung up. It's just everything else that I'm kind of concerned about. Every time I open it, I have to shift things around, so I try not to open it. But I think I've been avoiding it a little bit too long now, so I'm gonna get this taken care of. And at this very moment, the anxiety kicked in. Doesn't look any better, but I will say everything is not all over the place. Everything has a home now. So once my husband gets home, if he feels like it, he can help me try to figure it out from here. Otherwise, I'm gonna just leave it as is because it's not bothering me. Hopefully it's not bothering you. And if it is, you can come over and clean it. But I legit just got overwhelmed from this. It was just too much. So a few things happened while I was filming the closet. That's why you didn't see like all the full clips. Not that I did a lot anyway, but this arrived to my house. And I'm thinking like, wow, this is a huge bouquet of flowers. And I'm sure it costs a lot of money. Then I looked at the card and I was thinking to myself, your girl ain't having no more kids. I'm too old and I don't know who Allie, Matt, Lena, or Leo is. So I called them to come get these flowers. So while the flowers are here, let's bask in the beauty of these flowers and also the fact that they smell amazing. I wish you guys could smell them. The whole kitchen is just very fragrant right now. I'm just gonna wash this. I'm gonna wipe this off. I'm gonna wipe this off. I'll wipe this off and this. I will say with this, I'm gonna use it to decorate. However, I don't like gold, so I need to paint that. Those smell good, but I really want them to get to the rightful owner. So hopefully they come back and get them. I'll put the card back. They did come back and get them because as soon as I got the flowers, I looked at the card and I'm like, this is not for me. So I called the flower company and they did come back to get them and delivered me with my rightful flowers. So thank you to Brian and Brandy for giving me flowers for my birthday. It made my day. I felt so special and I appreciate and love y'all so much.
Cause it was draining. Try a different road, though it's been fading.
Look at the texture on that. It is so pretty. I just love the rustic vintage look. For right now, I'm just gonna keep it right here. I had something else here, let me show you. So before I just had this here and it had some flowers in it, but I think I just don't like this color. I think at the end of the day, I don't like the color. I do like the vase. So eventually I wanna paint that. So for now, I'm gonna leave that here and find some florals to put in there. Thank you so much for being here. I really, really appreciate it. These beautiful flowers that I have to leave. So thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to love on yourself. Don't forget to say your affirmations. You are worthy, you are needed, you are loved. Now go in the mirror and say it 12 times or, until your little pee-pee and heart desires. Just make sure that you believe it with every part of your being.
Over